Today I will see you how to transfer any data or music from Android to iPhone iOS. This one is my Android phone and this was my iPhone 6. First of all, you have to share it for both of the device. For example, first I open the YouTube of my Android, then select a song. This song I play. You can easily transfer MP3 or video file from Android to iOS or iOS to Android. But today I will see you about converting MP3 song from YouTube. For that, first I open the Android app SnapTube to convert the YouTube video in a MP3 mode. For that reason, I select MP3 160K. The sound quality of this will be good. Already I downloaded this, that is why it appeared. No problem. I change the name of the song. Now click the download button. The download and converting is here. I think the download is almost done. Go to the app of the Android mobile and click the My Files button. It is still downloading. The download is completed. Now I go to the file menu for share the song. Here will you see the file. Now for share it, select the file and go to the share option, scroll and share to mobile device and open the iPhone and click the share it button for receiving. Now skip the ad. Open Bluetooth of the Android device and select the next button. Connect to iOS. This option have to be clicked. Retry again. Connect to iOS device. Now here will you see a different network name that will be generate like hotspot in the Android device, and the hotspot network link is like that. Now you have to go back to the settings menu of your iPhone and select the showing network of my Shareit, and that is this one. You can also set password for that, but for transferring data I am not interested to set any data. Now close it and go back again to the Shareit app of the Android device. Now what are you seeing? Shareit has imported some file into my music, and the Android device also shows that it is completed almost. Now how can you save your transferred data from Shareit to iOS device? First you have to disconnect the network and close the ad again. Now from the history and now go to the files menu, and here you will see only 2 mp3 songs are available here. Now from the Shareit apps, close the ad and go to the history. Here you will see the 3 dot icon. From that you will open the file from the open file. You can play from here, but first I like to save the song to save my files. You can save the song either iCloud drive or on my iPhone. I like to save it to my phone. Here is a folder, you will see File Explorer. Just click and open it. Just click and select and add. It is already. Go to the mentioned file directory. Here it is. You are seeing this. That is all the procedure to transfer data from Android to iPhone. This way you can transfer any image, any software, everything, and it is very useful. Thank you.